Hi, welcome back to Newlook. I'm back with another natural home remedy. The thing which is very much disappointing about this summer season or else any season is that it gives us an attractive sun tan all over your face, hands and feet. Despite all the fun and happiness, a tanned body is not preferable. People use sunscreens for protection, but that is not enough to protect yourself from tanning. Quick solutions like chemical-laden cosmetic products are available in the market that promises to remove suntan instantly. Sometimes these products give the side effects in the long run and turn it to be very harmful for our delicate skin. In such cases, home remedies come to the rescue. Nothing is better than removing tan using the home remedies available in our kitchen. They provide the nourishment to our skin as well as heal the damage caused due to the suntan. So now I'm going to show a natural homemade remedy to remove the suntan. So going into the procedure for the suntan removal from our skin, we require some rice flour and this multani. By using this multani matti, ram milk and rice flour, I'm going to make a face pack to remove suntan. Take a bowl, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of multani matti and raw milk to make it a paste. After making the paste, just take this mixture on your hands and rub on to your feet, hands, face, wherever you are affected to suntan. I'm showing on my palm. Wherever you have tan, you just apply on those areas like this and sit it for 10 minutes to get dry so that all properties in this multani matti and rice flour get into your skin, which instead gives us a fair skin, removes the suntan. This raw milk used in this pack gives us lighter skin tone naturally. After getting dry, just sprinkle some water and massage well. By putting some pressure onto your skin, massage so that it exfoliates the skin, removes the suntan by massaging like this. After massaging for 5 minutes, let it sit for another 10 minutes and get it dry. After drying, just wash with normal water. This pack removes all the suntan. If you use regularly, that means 3 to 4 times in a week within 2 months. Okay, 2 months is enough. Within 2 months, you will get rid of all this suntan. But don't forget to use regularly. This will exfoliate. This pack will exfoliate your skin, removes dead cells, also helps to regenerate new cells, also lighten your skin tone naturally. Hope you liked the video. Please give a thumbs up, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Newlook.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.